Hi everybody, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I'm going to be making Jangjorim, which is one of our staple banchan. And I'm also going to teach you how to make braised vegetables with leftover Jangjorim sauce. So let's get started. First, soak the Jangjorim meat in the water for 30 minutes. You can find Jangjorim meat at a Korean supermarket, but if you can't find it, you can also use brisket. Cut into large sized chunks as the size will shrink when it's cooked. Add the beef and the vegetables into a large sized pot. As you can see, I'm going to be using lots of garlic because I love the taste of garlic, but also it helps to remove sort of the meaty taste from the beef. Pour all the seasonings such as soy sauce, mirin, dashi, ginger sake, and sugar syrup according to the recipe below. I usually like to make a lot of sauce so you can keep this Jangjorim sauce in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. You can also use this sauce to braise vegetables, add flavor to the meat and seafood, and even to fry rice or noodles. Cook at the medium heat for 40 minutes until the meats are tender. Remove the meat with about 2 cups of Jangjorim sauce and set it aside to cool. You can now add the vegetables into the remaining sauce. I'm using quail eggs here, but you can use regular eggs. Cook for 15 minutes or until the vegetables are done. Jangjorim should be tender enough to shred with hands. I like to shred it rather than cut it with a knife. Feels more homely, and this is the way my mother used to make Jangjorim for me. You can serve Jangjorim by itself as banchan or with braised vegetables, almost like a main dish. It will make your table more festive, and I'm sure that this will soon become your family's favorite. Happy cooking and happier eating!